It was fantastic to welcome the apprentices to the Artemis facility here in Lisbon today. Really good to be able to show them around and introduce them to the company, and really good to get their feedback on the apprenticeship so far.
I applied to the apprenticeship because one of my teachers told me about the course. So I read up on it and I read up on the company, and I thought that it was something that I would really be good at and something that I think is good for the environment as well.
I got an email about Artemis and it said that it was a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, and usually companies just say that, but the more I stay onto the course, the more I can actually see that it actually is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity.
Some of the great advantages of taking part in an apprenticeship would be the ability to get real hands-on experience of technology and of engineering, and especially with the Artemis apprenticeship, to be involved in cutting-edge technologies that are really changing the face of maritime industry. In the summer next year, we will have built our first prototype. We'll have that on the water, so they will be having to occasionally lift that out, do maintenance on it, and they'll be involved in that activity and preparing for building our second prototype, which is towards the end of next year.
With Artemis, I'm excited to see the assembly whenever it's all put together, and then whenever it's released publicly out into the ocean and you knowing that you've been a part of that and you built it.
I think apprenticeships have good value because it gives you the experience that you need for these jobs that you want to get into.
You can see everyone's confidence going up, and an apprenticeship's a lot better in my opinion than having to go to uni, because you're not paying off people for the rest of your life.
If you are interested in sustainability, being involved in engineering solutions to make a difference for maritime transport and green technologies generally, then I really encourage you to apply to our apprenticeship.